Don't fall. Best video ever.
You get one more wang dango out of me.
All right, guys, we are super excited to be here today with
Footslide.
Footslide. His name is actually Philip. I know you thought it was Footslide, but it's Philip. I'm sorry. It's true. And we're going to, would you call this like the world's longest slide on your feet?
Yeah, I mean, you could make it that. I would definitely say that it's the world's first stand-up water slide.
Okay, stand-up water slide. I think we just set it up and I'll ask you like 1,000 questions.
Sounds good.
I see that you have some grass.
Yes, so this is designed for the grass. We don't have any grass here, so we brought some turf to simulate grass.
So you don't necessarily have to have grass.
You don't, but we recommend it because it's softer than falling on the pavement.
That's true.
And you will be falling today, my
You
friend.
think so?
Oh, yeah.
You think so?
Oh, it's slick.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It is?
Oh, it's slippery. It's butter, bro.
But you're gonna do this, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's a pro at it. Yeah.
I guess we're gonna grow grass in the asphalt parking lot. I think we should put this more like in the middle, eh?
Oh,
Wow.
I'm so excited.
We've never had so much greenery at the Braille house.
I was thinking, like, if we had a nice planter box in the middle of this parking lot, it'd look fantastic.
I just picked this up and it's been on the asphalt for like 5 seconds and it's smoldering hot.
Is it really?
Yeah. I wonder what's gonna happen when we light it on fire.
Oh, no. I don't think we're gonna have any fire in this video. I think we've been overdoing it with the fire lately.
Gabe, did you bring my Speedo?
No, it's at my house. I was wearing it.
You came for the world's longest slide, you stayed for the jokes.
Aaron, do you want to hear a joke about Social Security?
Yeah.
You probably won't get it.
Got him!
Oh, we got him!
I got a joke. What did the purple grape say to the green grape?
I don't know.
Breathe. Wait, I messed it up. Oh no, green grape,
No, the
purple
green to
grape.
the purple, Aaron.
Oh, my life is so hard.
We've done grass grip tape, but we've actually never skated on grass. Oh! Oh my God, that would have broken my spine.
Actually, this makes a good gap.
I know, we need
this
a grass
outdoors?
gap in our new skate park.
Yeah.
This makes me want to go golfing. Dude, let's go to the driving range.
I went, and then Carlos like texted me, you went to the driving range without me.
Yeah.
So wait, I do have many questions. First of all, how long can we go?
So each section is 15 feet long. Best way we found to connect them, if that's what you want to do, is to put duct tape under the bottom. We don't have a connection kit as of yet. Maybe second version.
Yeah. I guess my question is, could it go forever?
Theoretically, yes. But the longer you go, you do encounter a decline in water pressure. So if you have like a second hose to connect it from the back, that would help.
Do you have an extra nozzle that would fit on our hose?
We do, yeah.
So we're gonna do nozzle coming this way and this way. I know, I just wanna like lay on it and take a nap.
Show me the slides.
Don't they feel different than you'd expect?
Yeah. Hold on, we're doing one at a time. I ain't crazy.
Okay, all right, we'll just start with one.
The difference between foot slide and a slip and slide is that foot slide is a thicker plastic than a slip and slide. It has an arch that runs down the center to guide the arch of the foot down its path. Some people get it confused with slip and slide, but it's not.
It's not a slip and slide. I'm really gonna take off my shoes.
Yeah, dude.
This is the first video you've ever seen my feet.
You know, yesterday Carlos said that this is the first barefoot Braille video. Oh no! Put those away!
You didn't tell me.
My eyes are on fire!
I already clipped my nails. It's from my socks. What do you want me to do?
Dude, Dan, you better get geared up too, brother.
Guys, here are shoes.
You better, oh my God. You better get geared up, brother.
I don't have gear.
Oh my gosh, look at how sunburned you are.
I told you.
Dude. Oh my God.
Does it work?
Yeah, dude, it's really slick. It's PVC, wet PVC.
This is sick. Oh, yes.
Oh, you do it with no shoes?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you're out of your mind.
Wow, Dan. There's no skating allowed in this video,
Take
Dan.
your shoes off.
Wow.
How did that happen? Do you even know what happened?
Do it again.
Why we need to? Yeah, let's get the high power going.
Best video ever.
Let's go high.
Wait, you go first. You've done this before. Come give it a slide.
You gotta go first. He's done this a million times, not you. Nigel, go ahead.
My body hurts already, and you guys just are trying to kill me at this point.
It's a nice warm day out.
What? It's freezing.
Is it freezing?
I'm from Bakersfield. It's like
It's cold.
freezing.
Show them how it's done.
Let me demo. Here we go.
First try.
Professional.
Wow. Okay. Do we go full water?
Yeah.
I don't want to go first. Nigel.
I got shoes, bud.
Okay, okay. I'm just getting warmed up. What are you guys doing? Take off your shoes. You're gonna leave me to
Aaron, you gotta commit to it, brother.
Easiest way is you come up and you just step onto it and then you push off.
this? Step on and then push off. Spread legs wide. Don't fall.
All right, you know what? We're doing this.
Hello, Gabe. Hey, Dan. I'm ready for a flood. No! You can't do that! Oh, what? How? That was
What now?
incredible.
Like I said, I'm just getting warmed up.
Stretch yourself. Some water up the
Yeah, wow. Yeah, Dan.
Wow! What a guy! We go full bore now.
I think we should add on another one.
Wait, I'm scared. Oh my gosh.
There you go. Yeah, boy.
It worked!
Sick! Should we do another one? Or should we put the water all the way in there?
What does turning it up do?
It just makes you more
More
Oh, it
water.
just makes you more wet?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna do one more and then I'm gonna put my shoes back on.
we're gonna add more.
Wow, we're doing the whole thing?
Yeah.
I think we should just add the other one.
Let's
and then
add it.
Do like more water last.
And you have animal hair on you.
I have dog hair everywhere, literally. Look at it. I lift this up, it's in my hat, it's on my hair, it's literally everywhere.
I'm like, man, now my pants are gonna get all wet. But think about like Jack Sparrow.
Always
He
wet.
always wears pants and he's always on the ocean getting
And he's
wet.
always wet.
Yeah.
But somehow he's always dry too.
Where's your headband? You need your headband.
Yeah, where's head bandana at?
Figured it was too much.
Head
for
bandana?
First try, 60 feet.
This is the color of my back.
Wait, let me see.
Wow.
Did you not put sunblock on your back?
Nah, I put it on my face and my neck,
You
and I
have
was
like
like,
a random patch of hair on your back.
Read the book.
In 1 foot all the way through.
25 cents?
Yeah, that's all I got in my car.
I mean,
A lot more
25
than
cents, you know? Could get you a candy 15 years ago.
that. If I even can get close to the end of this, I'll be kind of happy.
I got splashed. I'm in the splash zone.
Oh my gosh!
Believe in the lean, Nigel.
Like,
Wow! Oh!
look back.
Yeah! That was adorable.
jump over me, Dan!
Yes!
Dan!
Yes! Oh!
Lay down! No, it's wet!
Send it, Aaron!
There we go. That's all you're getting.
Wow, best one.
I clanked my ankles together. I might never walk again.
All right, you get one more wang dango out of me. One more.
You better run full speed then, brother.
All right.
Dang!
What was that?
That's not your last one!
That was my last one.
Are you okay? Did you hit your head?
Wait.
Oh, dude.
That, my friend,
I gotta see that.
that was probably the most like dramatic fall you could possibly have done. You like smack your head and everything.
Are you good though?
Yeah.
Like seriously, all right.
Go on. Go on.
There it
At this
goes.
point, I was like, okay, here we go. I'm just holding the
Oh, there it goes. Oh no. Oh, full commitment.
I've officially, I think, got the best fall on Braille history.
my God.
That's close to Carlos's dumpster.
Oh, man.
On that note, add a section.
Oh.
He only has enough connections for 3.
That's still 45 feet.
World's furthest foot slide.
Well, we're gonna do it on the skate deck too. Aaron, you do it first try. Braille will pay you $100.
I'll take it out of your paycheck.
Oh, God.
I started going sideways and I saw what Nigel did in my head and I thought about the pavement.
Wow!
Oh!
Yeah!
Yeah!
I'm scared now!
Nigel, put on a helmet. You'll be all right.
I'm doing this whole thing, Gabe. So let's film this persistence for Braille Army.
Just keep your feet centered, Aaron.
Ow!
There we go.
Whole thing, first try!
You gotta go faster, dude. I don't think his old legs can take him that fast anymore. Oh, that was it!
Push it.
I think I pulled every muscle in my groin. One.
Whoa! Whoa! Do you mind if I film some long lens angles?
Uzi, $100 to do the whole thing.
I will die.
$100 to do half of it.
Send it, Uzi!
Yeah, I almost died.
Board slide works too. Oh yeah, Dan.
Doing it a little bit offset, like it was a feeble, like a little bit.
Those are my feet.
It actually kind of does work.
I'm telling you, it does. You just gotta send this one, cause the grass is slippery too. Oh yeah, dude. Now you just full send it.
$100 the whole thing.
It's not gonna happen.
$200 the whole thing.
David Blaine wouldn't even be able to do this.
What?
I told you.
He even landed it. He's way better at that than he was just the slide in the feet.
I think so. I totally think he gets it into the green.
Before anyone goes, I want to get a cool shot. Dan, move. Whoa. Troy, look at this. Yeah, Dan!
I wish I was done.
Oh my gosh. Get your shoes off, dude. Come on. You can't come over here and be like knocking, sliding. All right, bro. Go ham.
Just jump on it and try not to die.
Yep, that's it.
Oh, that's the most fun I've ever had all week. What's up?
The skimboard.
Forgot I left him in the car.
Don't we have one now? Oh, we have a wakeboard.
Yeah, just a
wakeboard.
Snowboard.
Ripstick.
Got him.
I like the way this guy thinks. Well, Dan, do you want to land that or are you good?
I feel like I'm good.
Landed it.
Oh, wait, look at his elbow.
I got grassed.
A huge thanks to Footslides for sponsoring this video and Philip for coming out here and showing us how this is done. You crushed this thing.
Thanks, Aaron. It just takes some
Amazing.
practice. You guys can check us out at footslide.com. We'll put a link in the description.
Check it out. Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. Woo! Those are my feet.